And we might have to find out. We'll have to do some Turkish translate to find out. It might be the Three Columns Lodge, or we just don't know yet, do we?
No, it does say 3 column.
Ah, okay, there you have it. Let me see. Google Translate, Three Column Lodge. Thank you, my Turkish brothers. So I think these pins are from that same lodge. And we will put this over on our international section. And we've got a couple of different items from lodges around the world. West Australia, here's some regalia from York Grand Lodge in Mexico. These are some from a lodge in Belgium. And now my Turkish brothers have Turkey well represented in our international section. We're gonna have to start moving some stuff around, Shannon. Make more room.
Our international section, I think.
If any brothers from different Grand Lodge jurisdictions that are recognized by the Grand Lodge of Michigan in other parts of the world, you are welcome to send us some items from your lodge. And we'll find a spot for them. We'll move some things down. We'll make room.